There's several things to remember about watering. It's best to keep the plant dry as much as possible and water just the soil. 90% of plant diseases are caused by water splashing the soil up onto the leaves of the plant. So if that can stay dry with the buried soaker hose or the drip tape, you're going to do much better with the plant. Early on you'll need the sprinklers, the mini sprinklers, for direct seeded crops. It's also best to water first thing in the morning when the plants are cool. The water won't shock them as much. And also, they want to go to bed dry. They want to go into the night when their foliage wants to be dry. It's not good to water them at 5 o'clock in the evening or so. They want to have a chance to dry out before night comes. Those are a few things to remember when you're watering. It's also better to do a deep soaking water once a week or so, as opposed to a whole bunch once a day of shallow watering. That encourages a very shallow root system. A deep watering encourages the roots to go deep.